how to cleanse and detox your liver with a drink made out of one simple natural ingredient. Welcome to Gut Feelings, the channel to help you to naturally heal your digestion so you have all the energy you need. My name is Peggy Schirmer from peggyschirmer.com, and today's theme is about how to easily cleanse your liver, detox your liver with making a juice, a drink out of just one ingredient. Did you know that your liver can't scream? If your liver is in pain, you won't feel it. It is said from ancient Chinese medicine that the scream of the liver is silent, and the scream is fatigue, feeling low in energy, feeling tired all day long. But this is not all. Other symptoms that your liver is really in trouble are digestive problems from any sort, constipation for example, or bloating. But not only that, also diabetes, the development of diabetes and insulin resistance. Then we have high blood pressure, we have things like weight gain. If you always wanted to lose weight and you almost don't eat anything but you can't get rid of the pounds, look at your liver. Your liver is a central organ. It has 500 functions, probably more, but that's what the conventional medicine found out so far. 500, imagine this. The liver helps cleansing and purifying your blood. It stores vitamins, it stores healthy glucose in its cells, minerals, and then it gives them whenever they are needed from the body. It just gives them. It's like a big warehouse, you can imagine. And it's very, very important for digesting fats. Because it produces bile. Bile is needed to absorb the nutrients, to break down these fats and make them available for your digestion to absorb. So now let's look how we can help your liver to cleanse and really get back to its full vitality and full strength, so you have energy and you're feeling well in your life, and improve your digestion as well. So this one ingredient that we're talking about is one of the major alkalining foods in the world. Why is an alkalining food important? Because most of our diseases nowadays are based on inflammation. Especially if we're talking about autoimmune diseases, we're talking about digestive problems. These are all based on inflammation. What alkalining foods do, and this one especially, it's anti-inflammatory. It's highly anti-inflammatory and it helps to lower the inflammation in your body. Furthermore, this ingredient helps to bring out the mucus from your body and reduces acids because it's anti-inflammatory and very alkaline. It's rich in vitamin A, in vitamin C, in vitamin B6, which is very important for your liver health and also for your cognitive functions. Vitamin K, which helps your liver to build up its cells. This food has just an insane amount of minerals. We're talking about calcium, potassium, iron, magnesium, and just really dense, healthy sodium, which your body can use. And furthermore, it's packed with digestive enzymes and with antioxidants. So what it does for your liver, it helps the liver. It's the best remedy for liver health, to really get quickly into a good state for your liver. It replenishes the damaged cells, It helps to rebuild scar tissue. It detoxifies the blood. One of the main functions of the liver is also to help to cleanse and filter the blood. So important here to help the body to bring out, really flush out these toxins, and also rebuild the cells through the antioxidants and the digestive enzymes. So what's this magical ingredient? It's celery. This plain, boring, green vegetable. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. I know this is probably not the most fancy, but it works. It's an ancient medical food. So the way to eat it, what I recommend to you, don't think about it as a vegetable, think about it as a medicine. The best way to use it is in the morning on an empty stomach. So you basically just need this. You need this and you need a juicer. You put the celery through the juicer, out comes the 300 to 500 milliliter, this is 10 to 16 ounces of pure celery juice. And that's what you want to drink the first thing you wake up in the morning. So what I do, I have everything prepared in my kitchen. Everything is on its place, so there is no thinking, no problem. The celery is out there, it's cut, it's washed, it's lying there, it's waiting. And you wake up, you go straight to the kitchen, drink the celery juice on an empty stomach, And then it's important to wait 30 minutes or more before you drink anything else or before you eat anything else. So we really give the body time to absorb the good minerals, absorb the antioxidants, and really give that time to work, and think about it more as in medicine. Plain celery juice might not be the most fancy thing to drink. It's pretty salty. I actually like it after doing it a while. But important is to drink it plain. Yeah, so we don't want to have any apples or carrots or anything like that in there. It's not like a smoothie. It's a medicine. And the good things is about if you use that for a week, you're gonna see improvements. I guarantee that to you. You're gonna have more energy. You will feel your digestion is improving. The way you can absorb fats are improving. For really good results and for long-term effect, I recommend that to you do it 1 week. Then have a check-in with yourself. You can also comment below how it's going if you need help. And for long-term results, I recommend 4 weeks in a row. So every morning. And the great thing is about celery juice, if you just do it once, you don't feel an effect. It has an effect on your liver, but you as a whole being, you won't feel anything. But if you do it over a longer period of time, it's called a compound effect. So the effect builds up. You do the best for your liver and your digestive system to heal quickly and rebuild these liver cells and detox and cleanse. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to stay tuned to get the newest support for easily healing your digestion, make sure you click on the subscribe button below. I'm looking forward to hearing back from you. And one more question. Let me know in the comments below, what are your secret tips to help improving your liver? What really worked for you to cleanse your liver and heal your digestion? Let me know. See you soon. Bye bye.